Hey everybody, welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike. Today we're going to be taking you around this 1971 Z28 Camaro. Really excellent car. This car was restored in roughly 2012. It was sold then in Florida where we believe it was restored. It's been in the hands of a Illinois Camaro Club owner since, up until just recently when we purchased it. The car is really nice, clean, dry, and straight. It's in its original placer gold with a black stripe. Originally optioned with sandalwood interior. It now has a tan or saddle interior in it. The car shows really nicely. Non-numbers matching engine, at least as far as what we can ascertain. If it was the original engine, we see some machine marks where the block was decked, likely removing the VIN stamp from there, so we can't make any claim there, but it does have the correct 350 engine in it, 4-barrel carburetor, and it runs really, really well. This is a great runner driver. It's a great show car. It's kind of an all-around awesome little car. It's got a good set of tires on it. The wheels are in great shape. The body's nice and straight. Original metals as far as we can see from front to back, including the quarters are unmolested. The fenders appear original. The rockers appear original. Really just a nice, clean example of one of these that likely before it was restored was not in rough condition. So that's always nice. It's got a painted black stripe on it that's been cleared over. The paint's in base coat, clear coat. It's got a really deep shine to it. It looks phenomenal. The owner took very meticulous care of the car. In fact, we have another car coming up for sale that was his wife's, which is a 79 Z28. So they did a bunch of shows, a lot of tours and stuff like that with these cars, and they were just very well looked after over the years. They got to a point in life where they've got some grandkids now. They're just not enjoying them. They're spending more time on the water, so they elected to sell the cars. But at any point, this car has an M40, which is a turbo 400 transmission. So this has the factory 2200 RPM stall converter in it. And really nice option. Car makes great power. It runs really well. There's a little dent there on the deck lid. Not a sharp dent. Something that could be PDR'd. We tried to show it in the picture here. Very subtle. Again, wheel opening moldings are, the wheel openings are in great shape. No signs of major bondo or anything like that, or body repair. A couple little blisters on the lower edges of this passenger side door. And on the driver's side door, I believe on the rear edge of the driver's side door, a couple little very subtle spots down there as well. Again, originally optioned with sandalwood interior. This now has, I believe, what's called saddle interior, which is a little bit darker brown. Dash is black. Carpet kit's really nice. Car does have seat belts. As you can see, the dash console and the gauges are all really in great shape. The glass is really nice. All the trim, light lenses, bumpers are in phenomenal condition on the exterior. This car really would do well at shows, but also is a car you can drive and enjoy. Inside the driver's side door here, much of the same as you can see underneath. The jam's really nice. There's a little touch-up or repair spot back here we'll point out where the rubber stopper from the door side, likely when it was up against the car, either held some moisture against the paint there or what have you. Headliner's in nice shape. Carpet shows really well. Again, seats are in good shape. Somebody pointed out that potentially the seat bottoms on the front are actually potentially from a Trans Am. I can't be sure of that, but again, interior is really consistent. The dash is super nice. As you can see, the gauges show really well. All the gauges function. Radio, it's got an aftermarket Bluetooth radio in it that is non-functional right now. The previous owner said he never cared to look into it. Likely has some sort of power issue with it, but he opted to leave it as be and just listen to the car when he drove it, which we can respect. Inside the trunk, again, this car has original quarters on it, so the inside trunk area is really nice. You can see we've got some factory stamping here on the quarters, original quarters on the car. It's got a factory spare with the jack. A couple service manuals will come with the car, and a box of parts that go along with it, an oil filter. I believe the original date stamp seat belts. We've got the original dealer brochure here, which is nice to have. The engine was rebuilt during the restoration, as far as we've been told. We cannot argue with that. The car really runs out really nicely. It holds great temperature. Power brakes, power steering. It's got a set of headers on it. A couple little tasteful modifications on the engine. It makes great power. The Turbo 400 trans that's in it is actually a 4-speed automatic transmission, so it shifts really well up through the gears, and as you can hear, it works up nicely. You'll see when we get the car in the air, the underside is super clean. It's been restored, obviously, but shows really well, and a lot of care has gone into this car. They told us that these cars have not seen rain since they've owned them, and the prior owner bought this car in roughly 2012, 2013. Blower fans work, turn signals work, horn, lights, brake lights, headlights, tail lights, all that are functioning, including the wipers here. We'll get it on the road here, take it for a little ride. Keep in mind, I'm filming this while I'm driving it, but I'm doing my best to show you how well it runs. It tracks really straight, as you can see under acceleration. Makes great power, positive rear end, and it's nice and straight and confident under brake, which is great. Speedometer, odometer intact, all function appropriately, and as far as we believe, the mileage of 60,000 is correct on this car. There's no excessive play or anything in the steering wheel. The alignment feels really good. The car's nice and quiet when you're on the road driving. So, really nice driving experience. This is a car that can be driven all over the place as far as we're concerned. So, take it to a show, take it to dinner, enjoy it around town, put it on the highway. Not a lot of classic cars offer that, so it's kind of a nice thing to point out with the way this car runs, drives, and handles. And as you can see here, it makes great power, gets up through the gears nicely, it shifts really well. Just a very fun car to drive. Car up in the air here, we got some pictures of the lower edges of the panels so you can see. And you can see the bumper fitment, the grills, everything looks really good. This car will present better in person than I can do justice in photos. Aside from any of the little blemishes we're pointing out, the car really stands nicely. And as you can see underneath here, the frame rails are nice and straight, factory welds on them. Disc brakes are in excellent shape, newer brake lines, everything on this car seems to have been gone through, and it doesn't leak any fluids that we can see. It's got a lot of new brake lines, fuel lines, things like that when it was restored. So really nice car all around. As always, we encourage you to reach out by call or text at 312-420-3696. We can also be found by email at chicarclub@gmail.com. We appreciate you taking a look today, and we look forward to speaking with you.